everyone!
Hi.
Hello, Zootopia!
Hi, we're so happy to see you.
Hello, Huntrix! I have tickets for the golden and the fluffy planes. I'll hide them now, and you can choose. Who goes first? Huntrix, let it be you.
Where's the golden one? We're choosing this hand.
You get the ticket for the golden plane. Congratulations! Nick, now it's your turn. Let's see. You have the fluffy plane. Here you go.
Thanks.
Hello, dear passengers. Before boarding, you'll need to pass through this gate. Girls, you're first.
Okay.
I'm going.
Cool.
Yay, vacation.
Time to change outfits. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Everyone ready? Look, my hand turned golden too. We're sending you to the plane.
Enjoy your flight.
Bye.
Well, now it's your turn. Come on. Okay, I'm first.
Fascinating.
Well, I'm off. Girls, wait. Hey, what's going on?
I don't understand. So, where are furry costumes?
Huh? Oh no, I'm gonna be late for my concert.
My hand didn't get furry either. Okay, we'll fix everything now.
Let's go.
But first, I'll start with my own hand. I put a fluffy hair tie on my wrist, a fluffy ring, and another one. That's better. Who should I start with? Judy, you're first. Hooray! Where do we start? First, we need to get rid of your old clothes. We take white fluffy fabric. Wow, it's so soft. Lay a t-shirt pattern on it and cut out 2 pieces. Cool. We need to sew them together. Let's try it on. Perfect. Wow. We'll make a collar for you from this strip. And we'll add a tie.
Nice.
It's time to move on to the sundress. I will need blue fluffy fabric. I put tapering on the fabric and trace it with a black marker. I made a small circle. Now we need to draw another bigger circle. First, we cut out the outer circle, then the middle. We take the piece and start gathering it. We glue each pleat. Next, we take a strip of the same blue fabric and glue it as a belt to our piece. We trim the excess and put it on Judy. Something is missing. Right. I'll add a blue petticoat, a belt with police gear, and fluffy arm warmers. And on her feet, we'll put on black leather boots with white fluffy leg warmers. What a cool outfit. Thanks, Lou. I'm glad. Let's go. Welcome aboard.
Huh? What's that smell coming from? Let's see. There's nothing here, and nothing here either. But I do smell it. Look again near the seat.
Huh?
Found it! My favorite carrot. Not tasty. You can throw this away.
So, which one of you should we take on the next craft? Of course, me.
Hey!
No. Girls go first. Hey, you can wait.
What are we going to do? Huh?
Look what I have.
Wow!
We can make you a top out of this red fluffy fabric.
Great idea.
I turn the fur inside out and draw the top pattern on it. I cut out what I drew.
Wow!
Let's try it on, Gazelle. Perfect.
What a lovely top.
Yeah, but we need to add straps. I'll make them from decorative ribbon with sequins. Now look at the skirt I have for you.
But it's not fluffy.
Wait, let's try it on first.
Looks pretty good.
Now let's make it fluffy. I have some red chenille wire. I bend a piece and cut it off. I glue it onto the skirt. And here's the result. It just needs a belt.
I really like it, but what should I wear on my feet?
How about these boots?
But they're not fluffy.
No problem. We'll take a piece of red fur and wrap it around the boot, leaving only the sole exposed. I paint the sole and heel red to match the overall look. Now they're in the right style. And here's the whole outfit.
I'm thrilled with my outfit. Thanks, Lou.
Red carpet for a star.
Wow, is this for me? Woohoo! My fans must be waiting already. Hello, everyone. Here I am.
Gazelle, we love you. You're absolutely amazing.
Woohoo!
Gazelle, sing something for us, please, please.
Okay. You convinced me.
Hooray! You're the best.
Amazing! This fame is so exhausting. I'm already tired.
Hey!
Girls, can
I take a picture of you? All right, come on then.
Great!
Look here.
Yes!
Perfect. Got it. Phew, finally. I've been waiting for so long.
Don't worry, we'll do everything now. Oh, where are my materials? They were just here.
Aren't you looking for these?
Oh, you can't do that.
I am a fox.
Give them back, I need them. Let's get started. I take a piece of white fluffy fabric, place the pattern on it, trace it with a marker, and cut it out. I got a shirt pattern. Now it needs to be sewn. I sew it from the inside and turn it right side out. Done.
Wow, I want to try it on. Oh, wait for me for a second. Here I am. Yo!
It looks good on you. Now I need to make pants. For that, I take black fluffy fabric and cut a piece. I fold it in half and cut a corner. On the other side, I sew the pattern and voila! We got cool pants. Let's try them on, Nick.
Wow!
Perfect.
The pants are just awesome.
I'll add a leather belt and also a bow tie on the shirt. Still missing a jacket.
Oh, stunning.
Let's put it on. Great.
Wow, I'm a real gentleman.
A luxurious tuxedo.
Thanks!
I gotta go.
Bye!
Ta-da! Meet the most handsome fox on the planet. Hello, everyone. Oh, where is everyone?
Gazelle, we love you. You're the best. Woohoo!
I see. All the attention's on Gazelle. Oh, come on, it's okay. Well, all right, I'll give you an autograph.
What's going on? I didn't ask for an autograph. You're standing on my dress.
What?
Oh, sorry. Well, now all the fans have scattered.
Hey, Nick, can you put your autograph right on my hand, please?
Of course.
Great, thanks. I'm your fan.
Oh, come on, no need. Oh, Judy Hopps is here. Fell asleep. I wonder what she took pictures of.
Please proceed and take your seats.
Mira will sit here. And Rumi here.
I'll sit in the middle. Make some room. Hop! Be careful.
Watch out!
I'm flying!
Woohoo!
Got it.
Shoo, I almost fell. Oh! You can't escape fate. Oh, what are those sounds on the fluffy plane?
Judy is celebrating her birthday.
Yay!
Where's my cake?
Oops, looks like we forgot it.
How can you have a birthday without cake? Girls, I have an idea. Will you help us surprise Judy?
Of course, I know an awesome cake recipe.
I love sweets.
I'll need lots of Hubba Bubba. Open the pack and pull out the gum. Wrap it around a cup. Cut pieces of gum in different colors.
I just adore Hubba Bubba.
Phew, my scissors worked hard. I made a bright striped layer. The next tier is Skittles. Open the pack and pour a whole mountain on top.
Wow!
Making a festive inscription. Decorate it with carrots. Leave a like if you enjoyed this craft.
And I got some gum too.
Let's wish Judy a happy birthday. Who's it from? To find out, you need to look out the window.
Whoa, is that Huntrix?
Greetings from the Golden Airplane.
Happy birthday! This is from all of us. Yay, it's so beautiful. And my favorite carrot.
Delicious!
I like the gum more.
Amazing!
Orange flavor. I want the apple one.
So tasty, and you can blow such huge bubbles. I'll try a piece too.
So good!
Oh, so yummy.
Judy made a truly gigantic bubble.
Hey, where are you going?
It's so boring here. I want to have fun. Oh no, it's so loud.
We want to sleep.
Oops, sorry. Can you think of something?
Of course, I'll make cool headphones for Rumi. Cut off a piece and split it in half. Add hot glue to the ends. What should I use for the ear pads?
Huh?
These little cups will work.
Hey! Yay!
I glue them on the sides. Ta-da! Cover the frame in gold.
Woo!
I'll need stickers. Decorate it with a rhinestone ribbon. The headphones are ready. Now she can listen to music without bothering anyone. Rumi really loves Gazelle. I adore her. She's so awesome. Where is she going?
Huh?
The music carries Rumi into other worlds.
Unbelievable.
Whoa.
Oh, this is the fluffy cabin.
But your seat is not here.
Oh, did I get lost? There's Nick.
Gazelle! Wait, Gazelle!
I want an autograph.
Stop.
Huh?
No entries.
What's all that noise? Oh, it's Rumi.
Do you know her?
Of course. I'm your fan. Can you sing for me? I'd love to, but I don't have a microphone. Oh, a microphone! Shh! I hear you, okay. I need a drinking straw. Should I grab glue? No. Better a metal cap. And some chenille wire.
Let's go.
Connect the straw and the base using hot glue. What's next?
Oh,
Let's measure the stand height. Yep, it needs to be a bit shorter.
yeah,
Wrap the base with chenille wire. Decorate it with stars. Attach a push pin to the tip. A pom-pom shower. This one fits perfectly. Attach a smaller one on the back. And here's my Mr. Cat. We'll need his fluffy tail. Decorate the stand with it. The microphone for Gazelle is ready. Can I take it? Of course, the fans have been waiting. Are you ready for the concert?
yeah.
Yes, totally. I wonder where Judy is. Check, check. 1, 2. Whoa, that sound. Huntrix came to the concert all together. We love Gazelle.
Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo!
A silver Sasha Boys airplane flew by. You sing great, baby. What? That's not me.
I thought it was you.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah!
Wow, it's so cool here.
That's Gazelle!
Sasha Boys. Hi, Rumi. Guys, you won't believe where I've been. What's going on here? Whoa, there's a concert, and I'm totally without makeup. Well, that's easy to fix. I'll make a cool palette for Judy. Mark a foam corner using a compass. Then I draw smaller circles. Cut out the pieces with scissors. Roll it into a cone. Press holes into the circle using a straw. Assemble all the parts together.
It looks like an ice cream cone.
No, it's a carrot. I heat up the iron and gently warm a piece of foam on it. It turns into a lid with a mirror. Secure it in place. Next, I'll need chenille wire. Wrap it around the base. Awesome! Add fluffy greens on top. Now it's time to fill the refills with color. Squeeze out blue, yellow, pink, and green shades. A handy brush comes included. The carrot-shaped palette is ready. A fluffy palette for Judy.
Wow!
I told you they give carrots out here.
Yummy treat!
Hey! Hey, that's not food.
Height won't stop me. Hop!
What should we do with her?
Right, it's makeup. You worked on it so long that I totally forgot.
Girl stuff.
A little on the brush, then on the eyelids. Ta-da! It turned out so pretty.
You look like a parrot.
That was a mistake.
What? Uh-oh.
So who's the parrot now?
Not
funny.
Huh?
Awesome makeup.
I'll never wash off this embarrassment. I need some sleep. Otherwise, I'll be sleepy at the concert.
Everyone in the fluffy cabin fell sound asleep.
Huh?
Oh, what's that vibrating? Oh, it's my phone. Hello, Gazelle speaking. What? A concert? Right now? I need to get down immediately.
No need to worry. I've got an idea. Transportation for Gazelle is ready.
Wow, awesome. A real jetpack. But how do I fly it?
Put your arms in here. Everything's ready, let's go.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Gazelle bravely soars through the sky.
So who said gazelles can't fly?
Where is she? Oh, the concert starts any second now.
Bobby, I'm here.
Welcome, the one and only Gazelle!
Yay, I made it.
Amazing. Gazelle is the best.
The fans are thrilled. Surprise!
Guys, you're here too.
Yeah!
Did you enjoy the adventures of Zootopia residents and Huntrix on board the fluffy and golden airplanes? Then hit like and don't forget to subscribe.